Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Edmunds Automotive. Today I have a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. This car is a clean CARFAX, one owner. It's a local trade. Super nice car. I'm gonna walk you around it real fast and show you some features on it. Here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Plenty of tread left on the tires. Now this car has also completed a 150-point inspection on it. We also put a powertrain warranty on everything that we sell. That's gonna be good for 30 days. No rips or tears in the seat. This car is a non-smoker as well too. Super clean inside and out. No cracks or fading in the dash. A lot of room in the back seat. Again, there's no rips or tears back here in the back. Clean cloth seats, no stains or anything like that. This car's been very well taken care of. One more shot of your rims and tires there. Again, this is a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe Sport. Plenty of cargo room back here as well. Now you're going to be able to fold all these seats down flat if you need to, give yourself a little more cargo space as well. Now we also have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people that are trying to rebuild their credit as well. Back seat one more time. Again, no rips or tears back here. There's no stains on the seat. Carpet's extremely clean as well too. This car is equipped with power windows, power locks. You're also going to have a power driver's seat. No rips or tears in the driver's seat. Again, this car is a non-smoker. I get that question all the time. Let's hop inside and take a look around. All right, here's your radio there. Now you are going to have Bluetooth on this car. You're also going to have heated seats on here as well too. Of course, you are going to have cruise control and all your controls right there on the steering wheel. The car currently has 83,000 miles on it. Again, it's a clean CARFAX, one owner. If you have any questions on this car or anything I can help you with, feel free to give me a call or text my cell phone, 309-310-3034. Thank you.